Alright, in this video, it's going to be part 3 of the tractor restoration that my son Joseph is doing. And we're going to focus, or actually he's going to focus on the gas system. And hopefully we'll get a first start at the end of this video as well. But before we do that, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Alright, so one of the first things that Joseph covered was the carburetor. So here's a few scenes of him redoing the carburetor, and he'll describe what he's doing as we play back these scenes.
Ooh, nasty. Oh, the good news is the float seems like it's good. Now, I'm not surprised that this carb looks like this, considering that the machine I'm working on is about, what is that, 40-something years old at this point? It's probably never been took apart, and if it has, it's been a long, long time. So I'm just taking a razor and going along the edges here to clean up all the debris. And then we're gonna give everything a good soaking carb clean. Make sure all the passages are clear. We're gonna get this as clean as I can. I got some paper towels out. I'm gonna try and clean up these gasket surfaces a little bit more. I don't like where they're at, so I'm gonna try and get them as clean as I can. The good thing is I think the carb cleaner kind of helps loosen everything up to help get it off. And like I said before, I'm not trying to get it perfect, but I do want it to be pretty clean. I don't want anything to clog up the jets or cause issues down the road. Because to be quite honest with you, the way this carb is designed and set up, I don't really want to have to take it back off. Cough, cough, ha ha ha. I did the fuel pump off camera. It was just too much of a hassle to show. But everything in here is new. New diaphragms. Well, not everything. Things that could be reused were cleaned. But so far, I have to put it on there in testing. We'll see.
All right, now that that's done, of course, we got to do the fuel tank and the fuel lines. And here's a few videos of that. So one of the first things Joey has done is replace the impulse hose. And he's actually working on the fuel hose altogether for the fuel tank.
I just took the tank out because it's like
much easier to work on.
Yeah, it's much easier just to take it out. Honestly, probably one of the easiest things I've done so far on this, if I'm being honest.
You're probably right.
Yeah, look at the.
Yeah, it's probably gonna break apart inside.
Well, I lost the other one, but there was another one that was worse.
Oh, the impulse line?
Yeah. Oh, here it is. Yeah, it just disintegrated when I was trying to take it off.
Oh, wow, yeah. That's not good.
Can you do me a favor?
Hmm?
Can you pull on that while I put the tank in place?
Pool on. It's not a pool on.
Oh, no, don't say that. All right, hold on. Go ahead. Go ahead. Keep pulling. Go ahead, give it a little tug. Come Don't tug on it too much. Oh, something's not. There we go.
And one of the key things that Joseph did when restoring the fuel system was he put in a cutoff valve and of course a fuel filter. Might as well protect it. It's an old engine, but every little bit of protection counts, I believe, and keeping gas from flowing into it when it's not in use is important as well. So definitely something that was considered and done. All right, so the carburetor's done. Of course, it's got to be mounted, and here's a few scenes of it getting mounted. It's a little bit complex. One of the interesting things about this carburetor's got a pump built into it, and I think it's impulse driven if I'm not mistaken. But it does go on top of the manifold, on the very top of the engine. So here's shots of that.
Alright, well, in theory, it should be good to test. Alright. One moment. Alright, I think it's good. We're going to give it a test shot.
Fingers crossed?
Yeah, I hope so. We'll see, though.
Throttle and choke?
Oh. I didn't have the throttle up. Oh.
Well, you have put oil in the cylinders, so.
Yeah, I should have mentioned that there's oil in there. I'm gonna give it again. I'm gonna give it another shot.
Yeah. Joe?
Yeah, I'll take it off. Maybe half. She's grumpy, but that's a good sign at least.
Alright, so the last thing you saw was the engine starting up and smoking. It's been cleaned up a bit and it's running a lot cleaner now. Here's my son Joseph, and he's the one doing the restoration on this Montgomery Ward tractor, and so far he's doing a great job. So I just wanted to show you that that engine's running pretty decent right now. Hydraulics running good, blade's working. As a matter of fact, Joey used the blade to lift it up and put the new tires on. One last thing he's going to do is put the rear tires on. He's got some for it, and I think we'll be able to drive it out of this hole that it's in now. Anyway, that's it for now. We'll figure out what the next steps are going to be. Actually, Joey will figure that out. But hopefully this video has been helpful to you. If it has, hit share and like, and don't forget to subscribe.